Hello everybody, welcome back. Today as well we have got to another video. In this video I'll show you how you can sync your Apple Music library across devices. But before that, please do make sure to like our video, subscribe our channel, and yes, without any further delay, let's get started. So first of all, that you have to remember, to sync your Apple Music library across all devices, you must have an active Apple Music or iTunes Match subscription and be signed into all devices with exact same account. So for example, you go to your Apple Music and then tap on continue, and you have to take a subscription. Once you have taken the subscription, then what you need to do is you need to simply go ahead and go to the other device of yours, like your laptop, like your iPad, and then go ahead and sign in there on Apple Music with the same particular account. Then what you're going to do, you're going to go to settings app, and from this section you're going to go ahead, scroll down to the bottom and tap on apps. Now simply go ahead, scroll and find the app called Music. And once you have done that, you will find this option of sync library. All you have to do is tap on the sync library and it will be synced with all of the other accounts, and that's it. All you have to do is access the other devices and then find it. It will be synced with any other device as well, like that. That's all. Hope this video helped. Thank you so much for watching. I'll see you guys in our next video.